Alright, so if you read the title of this video, you probably know exactly what I'm about to do. I'm about to take the 2-day traffic control person course. It's 2 days in British Columbia. Elsewhere in Canada or the United States, it might be a little different, but I'm pretty sure it's about the same thing anywhere you go. It should be super easy. I have no question I'm going to pass this thing. And one of the main reasons why I'm actually taking it is just to get my mind back into school shape, because I'm actually going to be taking another 2-week long course here, which should be a lot more challenging. And I'm a little bit more worried I'm going to fail that one. But for this video, I'm going to take the traffic control person's course. I'm going to guide you through it, show you what it's like, and if you have any questions or anything like that, you can leave it in the comment section below. I'll try and answer them. We'll find out if I pass this at the end of this video. Okay, so for day one, things were a lot more challenging than I originally predicted. It's sort of hard to explain, but I actually found the class to move pretty quickly, and it was a lot more in-depth than I originally planned it to be. I didn't get a lot of footage shot in the classroom, but I did take some on my lunch break, and that was about it. I think why it was maybe more challenging than it should have been is just because it's a very dry class. They try and make it entertaining, they try and make it fun, but when you're just talking about road stuff, it's not that entertaining. My mind kind of wanders off. So that was probably the reason why it was more difficult for me than planned. But you know what? We're on day 2. So I'm still pretty confident I'm gonna pass. You just never know though, so I always get a little nervous before I take a test. We're gonna be outside the classroom finally, which is gonna be nice. The whole day on the first day was just all classroom stuff, a little dry. So this will be a good change of pace, and yeah, day 2. Let's see what happens. Okay, so on day 2, things went by a little more smoother and a lot more quicker. We only had to go through another 2 more chapters. I think there were total 8 chapters. You do a quick review of the traffic control person's test, and you jump right into the test. I believe it was only 46 questions, super easy. Honestly, you probably don't even need to take the 2 days of classes. The questions were very, very easy, basic safety related questions, and that was it. If you pass the test, everyone passed the test, then you get some road experience. We spent maybe 4 hours on the road. Each person probably only got 15 minutes. There was a lot of downtime waiting, just kind of watching. And that was it. The traffic control person test in the 2 days of work are super easy. Honestly, they probably don't even have to do it in 2 days. You could probably do it just in 1 day. I kind of feel like I wasted a little bit of my own time, but it's good to have, good to know. That's it. Like I said, I was doing this to prep myself for another course I'm planning on taking. That one just got canceled on me, so who knows, maybe I'll use this in the future anyways. So thanks for watching, like the video, and until later, I'll see you later.